Viewers, Green Shark is the best YouTuber ever. Green Shark Hot! Hello and welcome back. If you didn't see the last one, I barely got to do anything. So, but
That wasn't the last one.
the one before last one.
You're still on about that?
Yes. So we paid 160 for this one, and that's to open it up and get some and plant some gold.
Under some gold. I like that.
I had to go home last night and wash my hands really well after that one yesterday.
Time to open this up.
You want to lift it?
I'll try.
Pull! Pull hard! Pull hard! I'll help. All right.
Oh man, this looks like a good
What's
one.
that bag over there? Let's just get it out of the way. Let's just get that bag out of the way.
Let's. Oh!
Whoa.
AJ Styles, Jeff Hardy, autographed.
How much do you think this is worth?
I have no idea, but I like it. We'll set that over here.
Look, Dad, there's a bag on that table.
That's stink bait.
Oh!
This leak.
Yeah. Okay. This one looks like it's all closed.
Anything under the clothes.
Undies!
Undies! Papa, you have no undies. This one will be my tote bag.
Oh! More clothes. Bras.
Lots of bras. No, I can still smell that stink bait.
Yeah.
Here, Miles, open this one up.
What's in there? Even fewer clothes.
Let's throw those clothes in with the other clothes.
I like that idea. We have the whole tote.
Then we can start stacking stuff in this one.
Clothes.
Hey, viewers, you better subscribe.
Will these fit in that one?
Yeah, I think so.
Viewers, you better subscribe.
Hey! That sounded like a threat.
Sorry. Viewers, you better subscribe or the shark's going to come hunting.
What's in there?
Oh, a box. Bubble wrap. Look, Dad, big bubbles. Look, Dad, big puppy.
There doesn't have to be a computer in here, does there? Nah. Wah, wah.
There's a Tech 9 strange music coin.
Silver.
I doubt it. Might be.
Computer bag.
Keep it in my pocket and we'll check.
What's the video?
Markers. A
Paperwork.
brand new iPhone.
Oh man.
Look, Bobbies.
Show the camera now.
Viewers, Bobbies. I hope there's no hair extension.
Oh, hey. In the Skechers.
Of course.
A purse. Okay. Oh, Cincy.
A dog.
That's nice. Sure, appreciate it. So,
I like that. Is that
Hey,
full of
look.
them?
yeah, full of Cincy's.
Wow.
Hey, viewers. Hey, viewers.
You guys use those?
Yeah, we do.
Hey,
You?
viewers.
Yeah, we'll split them
Viewers,
up.
let's see if I can land in that bucket.
They can't see you right now, probably, but you did it.
I landed a shark. Viewers, Captain America versus this guy.
I'm
Dad,
really excited about this. We can use this on our pontoon boat fishing next year. It's a live bait whale.
Poppy, we need
Did you
to.
see that? You put batteries in it, it pumps oxygen in to keep your bait alive. Ooh, that's pretty.
Isn't
But
it?
yeah, it is. Dad, we need to go to that table. You know,
Okay, buddy.
you know what?
It's not the stink bait. But look at the mirror. Isn't that pretty?
That is beautiful. get rid of these chairs.
Hey! Video games.
Let me see if they are.
Battlefield 1 and Call of Duty.
Enough chairs. We could
Have a chair short.
have a concert.
Kershaw knife.
Oh, that's good. This sounds a good brand.
Yeah, what's this?
That's a little airsoft pew pew. Hold on.
It's got a place for air cartridges, doesn't it? You bought them?
Yeah.
Looks like it's still
Okay,
warm.
yeah.
Viewers, look!
We haven't had good luck with those.
I'll set this
Viewers,
out here.
look! We found our first pew pew.
Hey, this is a good time to talk about gun safety though, especially with one of these.
1 hour later.
Officer Miles.
There's a little.
That's cool.
Viewers, look!
Triple glass in this.
Oh. Viewers, look at this.
These are neat.
Those can go in the bathroom. Thank you!
Okay.
They're metal.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Score!
Broncos clock.
Whoa!
We just got the most. You've got to be joking.
More toils.
Okay, you gonna put that with the other turtles?
More toys.
$50.
This one sounds like made of glass.
They are made out of glass. Some of these.
Hey,
Binoculars. What kind are they?
Tasco.
Like in a nice old city.
Yeah, they do.
Look,
They're in there though.
look, a piggy bank.
Can you get those out?
Guys, guess what I just found?
Toidle.
Toidle. Poppy, I'm keeping all of the turtles. I think.
I don't want to damage it. Here's.
Poppy, look. Look, Poppy, I'm making my own turtle exhibit. How many turtles is in this box? I like turtles. Toidles.
Looks almost like it's.
Yeah. It's kind of deteriorated around it.
Here they go.
Wait, let me see if it works. Let me see, can I test it out yet?
It's a Tasco 6X 12x32. Oh, they're good. Zoom fully coated. Ow. Oh, I got crap in my eye from it. Ready? Turtles! PS4.
Oh,
Gran Turismo.
this turtle has a name.
What's its name?
LPS.
Where are you going with it?
Oh, I'm gonna put it in my section of turtles. Look, Pop.
Toidle.
Look, Poppy. The Turtle Army.
Turtle?
Turtle. Look
Toy.
at
It's a toidle.
Spoon. Hey.
what is that?
54 Chevrolet Bel Air. Probably not much.
Turtle in a decoration land.
Another toidle. It's a music box, no globe.
That's broke. Oh, maybe not. No, that works.
That's pretty.
What's this? What's this?
Nativity.
Oh. I know somebody that would like that nativity. And an angel.
Look, Vans. Vans.
There's a box with shoes in it somewhere, Miles.
Camera.
Viewers. I think
Oh, I see something.
I know, I saw that. Xbox controller.
Yeah.
What is it, Dad? What type of control?
It's for the Xbox One.
Look, Dad. Look.
Tools.
Let's see.
Oh man, look at those decks.
Nice.
You opened that very well.
Thank
Yeah, a little Eiffel Tower lamp.
shows.
Is that a game or is that a movie?
I think it's a show. Oh.
That's a game. I wanted to play that game. Friday the 13th, the game. And it's in there.
Okay, let me see what the other game.
Oh. Nintendo NES.
I've been wanting to watch this. I
It's
kind
for
of.
that one. Oh, here it is.
I've seen this movie before.
It's entertainment. This is the knockoff one.
And look,
Happy Never After?
I've seen the trailers for this.
That's
Ooh.
good.
Oh,
I have the games right behind you.
oh, Transformers. Let me check. Transformers has the DVD in it. Charlie Brown Christmas.
Milo Otis, Fancy Nancy, Hulk, Green Lantern, Shrek the Third.
Charlie Brown in it.
Oh, your mom's favorite movie. It.
Transformer. Wait, what?
It. Oh, it's missing. She's gonna be so mad.
Oh.
This is the movie that made her afraid of clowns. Oh, Miles, Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda.
That is awesome. Mandalorian.
Oh, that is fine.
How come everything is yours?
Well,
Because he's the goblin.
Oh, mission stuff. Wait.
Another Baby Yoda.
Wait, why wouldn't that? Oh, it just leaked on my hand. How do I get this?
I don't know, bud.
Let me check.
Zepco 33.
We're good for clothes hangers.
Yeah, I've seen that. That's a big Shakespeare
That's a nice one.
with an ugly stick.
It's a catfish bowl.
Dad, I think it's deodorant or something. I think it's kind of like smelling. It's like a deodorant kind of.
Okay.
So can I see what it does to you?
No.
It's a nice little Zepco.
Yeah,
It's brand new.
it does.
And the rest of my things are just health supplies and vitamin makeup. Ooh, that's look.
Yeah, it's sticky.
It means sticky. Viewers, we had some fun today, but we used and we found a lot of turtles. Too many in my opinion. But viewers, remember, always keep hunting for that green, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!